Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I am down at the KZ manufacturer where I'm going to give you a tour of this 2024 Durango 348BHF. And this is going to be a great fifth wheel for the traveling family because it has a massive bunk room with their own dedicated full bath. So that is pretty darn nice. As someone that's got 4 kids running around the house, I mean, just having their own bathroom in the back and their own room to just play and hang out during those rainy days is definitely invaluable. But all the specifications, if you're interested in some more like length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, all that good stuff will be down in the description, along with a link for the price. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. Hey there, hi there, ho there. If you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button, drop a comment, and say hello, if nothing else. But let's go ahead and get right into it. Again, it's the 2024 Durango 348 BHF. Now, my jump pack that I got plugged in here, I've been doing a whole bunch of RVs down here. Well, it's probably a bad example right there. There's only 2. But I've been doing a whole bunch. The jump pack is running a little bit low, so I'm going to speed through this just before, that dies so you can see it in the light. But this is going to be your kitchen area, which is pretty darn unique in the fact that you have this island, but it has stools in here too, so that way you can kind of use it as a secondary dinette if you would like it in a pinch. You're also going to have, a more traditional dinette. This does expand out if you need a little bit more space, but you have pretty cool little booth seating right here, 2 regular chairs, a bunch of windows going all the way and around for a good view on the campsite. But I also like the stuff, like this. I mean, that is pretty darn, it's different, having that textured feel over here, having it over there, having, little hangers. But they're all tinted, and they do have, the old nightshade, the Dracula shade, stop the old skin from sizzling. But, man, I just really like the decor that KZ is rocking. You just don't see that in a lot of RVs these days. You have a residential size GE refrigerator, which is kind of locked up in travel mode, so I don't want to open that, but just like the one inside of your home. But they're also going to have residential appliances for the microwave. It's going to be a convection oven. This is peace of mind package. You might just want to, pause that right here. There's a lot of good stuff going on, so most of which, hopefully I'll hit it, but I might forget a thing or two. Convection microwave. 4 stovetop burner with access on both sides. So you're whipping up all the fixings. You got the plugins for the blenders, the Keurig, so that way you can get, either juiced up or juiced down, however you want to do it. And then you've got a room for a turkey in there as well. So you can do some serious cooking. I'm definitely the chef in the family, and that is pretty darn neat for sure. The island's also going to be solid surface countertops. So babe, if you're watching, I love you. You're also going to get the stainless steel undermounted bowl with the high-rise faucet, hitting those dishes from all angles. You got the plug-ins, 3 pull-out drawers. You got an area right there for, access to your plumbing, garbage can, and then inserts to go on top of this. You're also going to see, there's that. You even got a little cord so you're not bashing the refrigerator and denting that up, especially with the kids. That's always going to be nice. Real hardwood for the cabinetry. And then you got another outlet. You also see here, prepped up for the King Connect, which is basically going to be, internet on the road, one fuse box. If you call up like AT&T or Verizon and, get 4G, 5G LTE up inside of your camper. And then as we're kind of moseying around to the back room, first off, forgot to show that. You got a fan, and then you also got a sucker, to help kind of keep the air flowing. You're going to have kind of your entertainment section. While it is small, it is functional in the space that you do get, because again, you got a massive kids room. But you're going to have the power theater seating. So you're going to have heat, massage, USB. You also get the little come down right there with the 2 cup holders, so you can get a, drink or 2. And then you also get, USBs, but it's directly across from your TV. And this is going to be on a swivel, so if you wanted to swivel it more towards the dinette, you could do that. Soundbar and a flame fireplace, so that'll heat up this entire area, with absolute ease, even on a pretty darn chilly day. One thing Durango does do really well is their insulation is going to be a little bit better than most campers. They actually have a actual 4 seasons package on there, which is plus. Another little kind of a gift of a outlet. But this is that bunk room I was talking about. I mean, you usually see this in travel trailers and you know, you see it in a couple of the fifth wheel floor plans, but man, it is just nice. I mean, look at all of the storage in and around, you know, that TV right there. So that in itself is pretty incredible. Plus you got a little hidden storage there back behind to tuck away, you know, whatever it is that the kids bring, you know, PlayStations and Xboxes and all your different gadgets. Boom. And boom. And then you also flip it around over here. This is kind of in that up mode where you notice you got that kind of that bench right there with a little bit extra storage, but you flip that down, 2 bunks over here with 250-pound weight capacities. You're also going to get there. And then the reason why this is offset is because there's actually an outdoor kitchen on the other side, which I'm going to have to put a link to some pictures of that. Unfortunately, it is after hours. They locked it. I don't have my master key with me to show you that, so that is a bummer for sure. But I will make sure down in the description, check that out with the price, the specifications, and a link to show you that. This is also going to be a pull-out sofa, so, you know, a larger kid, like in our family, we got a soon-to-be 16-year-old. Plop him down on that, a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more sturdy, you know, for a, you know, bigger person. And then this is that shower. I mean, it is not a tiny shower, too. I mean, it is no problemo. You also got the porcelain foot flush throne, a little bit of countertop space. I'm here to check out the old bowling gun, baby. Boom. I mean, there is a lot to like, but let's keep it moving. I can tell the lights are dimming down, but it looks pretty good on the camera, but who knows when they're going to cut off here. Then you're back out into the living room. Nice tall slides. I mean, I'm 6 foot. You're probably looking at about 6'3". 6'3" sounds right. Coleman Mach AC 15K. It's got a filter in it you can change, much like your home. Just help, you know, keep some of that air quality staying on the up and up. 2 steps to head up into the bathroom and the door. You got a little grab handle and a little mirror. 1-touch control there. As you can see, there is the battery running a low, but that's where you can control everything from one spot. A second porcelain throne with a larger shower for, you know, the master bath here. 1-piece fiberglass. You're also going to get the Tri-Glide glass series to open up just a little bit wider for you. A little bit of sneaky storage right there. You're also going to get the on-demand hot water heater, which is nice. So if you have propane, you got hot water. And it is instant. Oh, I forgot to turn on the lights in here. So you got some lights. You do got 2 more clicker lights right there, but I like how you got the shelves above the windows. Both of those do open up. You also have USB ports and outlets on both sides. And this side you got a little cubby too. So if you need the extra space, you know, you got the extra space. TV backer location, and this is where that King Wi-Fi Connect prep is located. Emergency exit, hopefully you never have to use it, but pull, push, and plop. 5 of these. And then you're going to have open space right there. And then I believe this is a hamper. Yep, little hamper there. I know I'm zooming, but you got to do what you got to do sometimes. Big old closet. You're also going to be washer and dryer prepped, which is going to be right on over there for the water. The dryer would go on the other side. All right, guys, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Maybe you guys like the shorter tours. Maybe let me know. Maybe I'm talking too much. All right, so now we'll spend about 2 minutes here on the outside. Again, it's the 2024 Durango 348BHF. Drop frame in the front, so you're going to get massive, massive storage. You also have electric auto leveling, dual awnings with the frameless windows. I like the white look, just kind of help reflect out some of that heat. But pretty darn massive there. And you also have an inverter, JBL speaker, solar charge controller with a battery disconnect, and a place for 2 batteries if you would like it. These are the steps that flip up into the doorway. You're also going to get the screen defender with the slingshot on there. So basically it just closes a little bit easier for you. Cooper H-rated tires, so much upgraded system there. Plus you're going to get an above average suspension system, you know, as well. Heading out the back, you have a ladder to get on top of your fully walkable roof. Check your seals, check your slides. You got a little outlet right here, rvrail.com. I'm gonna have to check out that. I'm not familiar with what that is, never seen that one. Outdoor shower. You also have your towing package here in the back, so 3,000 pound tow rating, 300 pound hitch rating, and this right here is going to be a little toolbox opening, and notice how it had the magnetic latch. So I think that's pretty neat, just to kind of keep some of your stuff. If you want, you can put on a slide topper on all three of these, a piece of awning that goes from here to here. Prevents debris from falling on top of your unit. Tire pressure monitoring system as well, so it'll help you avoid blowouts. You know, it'll start screaming at you if you're getting a little bit too hot, overinflated, underinflated, you know, all that good stuff. Sewer outlet connection. This is going to be your other drain right there. Low point drains, and then your valves, back end of the hot water heater. You're also going to be 3 camera safety prep as well. So one on this side, one on the other, then one out the back. That's where you're going to plug in the unit, and then you got your docking station, hot and cold water in the form of an outside shower. You also got all your bypass valve, city water connection, and a black tank flush, as well as your propane bottles here behind this door. There's going to be the control for the auto level. And then you got, you know, pretty normal storage there right up front. But all right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I know it was a little bit quicker than normal, but drop comments, ask questions, let me know what we can do to best help you. Again, this is the 2024 Durango 348BHF. My name is Hunter. Have a great day. See you.